everyone, my name is CHANDAN Singh. Guys, you must have had food in restaurant, but today I'm going to take you to an aeroplane restaurant, guys. Yes, my dear friends, it is located at Rohini Sector 10, and today I'm going to that restaurant which is in the aeroplane, airbus. So follow me guys and let's go. Thank you guys. I boarded metro from Noida Sector 16 and I have to reach Rithala metro station because the aeroplane restaurant where I am going, which is also known as Runway 1, is 1.5 km far from Rithala metro station. So guys, from Rithala I have taken e-rickshaw and I am heading towards Metro Walk, Adventure Island. There I'll show you that aeroplane restaurant which is called Runway 1. So follow me guys. Guys, here you can find Adventure Island, Metro Walk Mall, Decathlon and of course Runway 1 aeroplane restaurant. But I have decided to visit only Runway 1 aeroplane restaurant, so let's go guys. Hi guys, as I told you that I'm going to aeroplane restaurant. Now I have reached at that location. You can see the aeroplane behind me. So this is that aeroplane where I have to go and I will explore the entire interior and eat a lot of food. So follow me guys. Thank you guys. So guys, now it's really very close to me. I'm going here. You can see behind me. Before entering the restaurant, you will have to go to the check-in counter to take the ticket, which is called boarding pass. And for this, you need to pay 200 rupees per boarding pass. And this amount will be deducted from the bill of the food eaten by you. So guys, I have taken this ticket and per ticket there is 200 rupees. So, and this money will be deducted from whatever you eat. So guys, as you can see the aeroplane behind me. So we are going there and there is a restaurant. We have to check out that which type of food is available there. And really amazing guys. This entire scene looks so bewitching and alluring. You can see this water beside this. It's really fantastic to be here. So guys, see this tire, and it is said that this aeroplane is real one. It's a real airbus in which the restaurant has been started. This tire is also real. Everything you can see here guys. My God. Guys, look at the window. small window. And now we are here and we are about to enter. Guys, this restaurant known as Runway 1 has been specially designed to give a unique experience to all its customers. It's a multi-cuisine restaurant and the ambience of it is absolutely hypnotic, so you cannot abstain yourself from getting drawn towards it. In terms of its decor, including its color, especially purple, as well as the sitting arrangement, will catch you off guard positively. You can find the staffs of this restaurant dressed in lovely attire in black pants and purple shirt. So guys, finally we have reached here. So this is that restaurant what I was talking about. This is in Aeroplane, and I've got the menu with me. So I'm going to show you what type of food is available and what type of rate of the food is mentioned over here. Finally I have decided what to order. It was quite tough to choose. There are a lot of items here. However, I have selected some food, so I'm going to order. See, I would like to go for this karahi mood. Do you have idea how many pieces are there? The gravy must be spicy. Karahi soup must be spicy. So one this, and I would take butter naan, two naan. And there is one pizza for children, for kids especially. What bread is? Okay. Fungi pizza. What is this? Okay. Is there any pizza with that corn? Corn is not.
Sir, corn add to
Drink permission? Here it is mentioned about the drink. Hi guys, though it was quite tough to choose which food should I go for, however I have chosen, this is karahi murg, and I have chosen this butter naan, and this is pizza and Pepsi. So I'm going to enjoy this. It seems to be great, delicious. Let's see how it tastes. Karahi nice. With butter naan, karahi murg is nice. Pizza was also really great. So guys, finally I've had food and I would like to say that this is really fantastic, and service given by Himani, it was fabulous. She has given a great service and the food was really more tasty and delicious. All the food, whatever I had, it was fantastic enough. So Himani, सबसे कम मिला? So guys, in this Aeroplane restaurant, there is a particular cabin where you can play game, and I must tell you guys, this is such a game where you can really have a feel as if you are flying the aeroplane. I mean, from takeoff to land, you can have all experience. So I'm going to try that game. So guys, I must tell you, guys, this is to accelerate, and this is for takeoff. Yeah. And this is to land. For down. Okay, for down. Going left, right. Okay, and this is for left and right. So I have to operate this. Let's see how I feel. Shall I do first this? My God. It seems as if I am really flying it. Oh, you can see the green boxes in front here to follow these boxes. This will have to take you towards your destination. This one. Oh my God. Which one is not this one? Guys, here right now the manager of this Aeroplane restaurant is here with me. What's your name, sir? Manoj. Manoj ji. तो मनोज जी, कब से ये चल रहा है यहाँ पे ये सब कुछ? सर देखिए, अपना 14 अक्टूबर को 14 अक्टूबर ओके 2018 में। और मैंने सुना इसका एक और ब्रांच है अम्बाला। फर्स्ट वाला इसका अम्बाला में ही है, सेकंड यहाँ पे, थर्ड का हमारा पानी चल रहा है। ये हो सकता है कि नोएडा बहुत जल्द। तो ये इट इज सेड कि बिल्कुल रियल ये बस है, जेट एयरवे का हमारा एयरबस A310। ओके, रियल एरोप्लेन guys, it's a real aeroplane. Well guys, so I really enjoyed a lot in the Aeroplane restaurant. I had heavy food and I also enjoyed the game in that. So now guys, I'm going back home. Thank you very much for being with me. I'll meet you in other videos. Thank you guys.